What's the meaning of blood bank? Blood bank. Blood bank.
Blood bank. Blood bank. A blood bank is a place where donated blood is collected, processed, tested, and stored for later use in transfusions or other medical procedures. Blood banks are essential to the healthcare system, providing a critical lifeline for patients who require blood transfusions, such as those undergoing surgery or receiving treatment for cancer or other illnesses. Donated blood is carefully screened for infectious diseases, so that only safe, healthy blood is used. In addition to whole blood, blood banks also collect and store other blood products, such as plasma and platelets, which are used in a variety of medical treatments. Overall, blood banks play a vital role in saving lives and improving health outcomes for patients.